Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're gonna learn nationality adjectives. We're gonna learn how to say things like Egyptian, Iraqi, Iranian, American, Brazilian, and so on. Now let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to the table to see how we can form nationality adjectives. So in the table on the left side, we have the name of the country. Let's start with the first one. Misr. Misr. This means Egypt. Now, in order to say Egyptian, we need to add E to the end of the country name. So, Misr plus E, Misri. Misri. This means Egyptian. And the feminine version of it would be Misr plus Iya. Misriya. Misriya. Let's look at the second example. Al-Iraq. Al-Iraq. Iraq. And the adjective would be Iraq plus E. Iraqi. Iraqi. And the feminine, Iraq plus Iya. Iraqiya. Iraqiya. Alright, now let's look at the fifth example, Germany. The country Germany in Arabic would be Almania. Almania. Ending in A. Whenever we have a country ending in the sound A, if we want to form the nationality adjective for this country, the letter A disappears from the end of it. So in the case of Germany, which would be Almania, ending in A, the nationality adjective would be Almani, meaning German. So that Aleph or A at the end of it disappears. And the feminine version would be Almaniya. Almaniya. Alright, now let's look at how we can say America in Arabic. America. America. Again, here we have another country that ends in the sound A. Now let's see how the nationality adjective is formed. Amriki. Amriki. And the feminine, Amrikiya. Amrikiya. So again, the letter A disappears from the end of America. Okay, great. That's all the grammar we're gonna need for this lesson. Now let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1, my friend is from Egypt. He is Egyptian. صديقي من مصر. هو مصري. Number 2, my teacher is from Brazil. He's Brazilian. معلمي من برازيل. هو برازيلي. Number 3, my student is from Egypt. She is Egyptian. طالبتي من مصر. هي مصرية. Number 4, my friends are from America. They are American. أصدقائي من أمريكا. هم أمريكيون. Number 5, my car is Japanese. سيارتي يابانية. Number 6, my teacher is from Iran. He is Iranian. معلمي من إيران. هو إيراني. Number 7, is your friend Australian? هل صديقك أسترالي? Number 8, I work at a French restaurant. أنا أعمل في مطعم فرنسي. Number 9, there is a Turkish cafe in my city. هناك مقهى تركي في مدينتي. Number 10. I like Italian food. أنا أحب الطعام الإيطالي. Number 11. Turkish coffee is delicious. القهوة التركية لذيذة. Number 12. There is a Japanese restaurant in my city. هناك مطعم ياباني في مدينتي. Number 13. Chinese food is delicious. الطعام الصيني لذيذ. Number 14. Do you like Japanese food? هل تحب الطعام الياباني؟ Number 15. Brazilian music is beautiful. الموسيقى البرازيلية جميلة. Number 16. Italian pizza is delicious. البيتزا الإيطالية لذيذة. Number 17. Is Chinese food cheap? هل الطعام الصيني رخيص؟ Number 18. Are Japanese cars good? هل السيارات اليابانية جيدة؟ Number 19. My friends love Turkish food. أصدقائي يحبون الطعام التركي. Number 20. Are your friends German? هل أصدقاؤك ألمانيون؟ Number 21. Do you have an Iraqi friend? هل عندك صديق عراقي؟ Number 22. I'm learning Arabic with an Egyptian teacher. أنا أدرس العربية مع معلم مصري. And number 23. I love French movies. أنا أحب الأفلام الفرنسية. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.